Welcome to HSNC University International Admission Desk, where students can apply for international admissions. To apply for admission, students needs to register. Input your name exactly as per your 12th grade mark sheet. Once you input your name, it cannot be changed, so do not use any nickname or any special characters while inputting your name. Post that select gender. Applicants must select the correct student category, as the documentation and the application form is based on the category you choose. You can scroll over each category for a detailed description. Login credentials. Kindly input your active email ID. All the communication for your admission will be emailed on this email ID. Your email ID will be your login ID as well. University will communicate with you through your inputted mobile number or via email. So review the inputted details before you proceed ahead. Please use these login credentials to access your account and check the status of your application. Before proceeding, please read and accept the terms and conditions. Please enter the OTP that you received on your mobile or email. Sometimes the mail would land in your spam or junk folder.